In a world built on connection, we share everything: moments, meals, and life itself. But some things are shared without us ever knowing. Meet the herpes simplex virus, or HSV. It affects billions worldwide, but how much do we really know about it? Let's separate fact from fiction. Transmission can happen in innocent ways, like a loving kiss from a parent to a child. And it's commonly transmitted through intimate moments. During a kiss, the virus can pass from one person to another through direct skin-to-skin contact. This is how HSV-1, the virus causing oral herpes, often spreads. Myth number 1. Herpes is rare. Fact: it's extremely common, affecting billions globally, often without their knowledge. Myth number 2. You can only spread it with a visible sore. Fact: the virus can be transmitted even when there are no symptoms, a process known as asymptomatic shedding. Myth number 3. It's a sign of being unclean. Fact: it's a viral infection and has absolutely nothing to do with a person's hygiene or character. Myth number 4. You can get it from a toilet seat. Fact: the virus is very fragile outside the body and dies quickly. It's nearly impossible to get infected from surfaces. Prevention is vital. Be mindful about sharing personal items like utensils, straws, and lip balms, especially during an active outbreak. And simple, good hygiene, like regular hand washing, always helps reduce the risk of transmission. While there's no cure, herpes is manageable. Antiviral medications prescribed by a doctor can help reduce the frequency and severity of outbreaks. Living with herpes also means managing its emotional impact. Openly communicating with partners and healthcare providers is crucial. You are not alone, and support is available. Understanding this is key to managing health and reducing stigma. Knowledge empowers us to protect ourselves and others. Be informed, stay safe, and lead with compassion. Let's recap the key takeaways. Herpes is incredibly common. It can spread even without visible sores. It is manageable with medical care, and prevention is crucial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more health awareness content. Thanks for watching.